Hello everyone, this printer is Epson WorkForce WF2840. I'm going to show you how to reset this printer to factory default setting. If you go to the home page, use right arrow button or left arrow button and go to the settings. Select settings, select OK to the settings. Then it will show you supply status. Scroll all the way to restore factory settings. So number 12 of 13, restore default settings. Select OK. It will show you network settings. If you want to reset only the network, then you select network settings. But what you want to do is to restore printer to factory default setting. So reset this printer like how it is when you get the printer new. So scroll, will show you copy settings, scan settings, fax settings, clear all data and settings. Select OK to clear all data and settings. It will show you restore all settings, including network to default. Yes or no. Yes is OK. If you select this button, it's no. So want to restore all settings, select OK. Processing, please wait. Settings restored. Will show you restart the printer. Then you go to home page. If you switch the printer off, select OK to turn printer off, turn power off. So the printer is turning off. If you restart the printer, it will show you for you to select your language. So switch the printer on, for example. Then it will show you language. So you need to select the language and proceed, set up the region and also set up the date and time and proceed to install the ink and etc. and connect the printer to wireless network. So this is how to restore the printer to factory default setting. Thank you very much indeed.